introducing preschoolers to calendars and other methods of tracking time. We now have Aki Katindig to show his skills in sorting the things that we use, see, and do during daytime and nighttime.
Hi! What's your name?
Aki.
How are you, Aki? Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, Aki, look. I have your chart of, and this is the chart of day and night, okay? And I'm going to show you an object that we usually see during daytime and nighttime. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you show me your thumbs up if you're ready? Great. Okay, let's start. What is this?
Moon.
Moon. When do we usually see the moon? Is it in daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
Nighttime? Alright, very good. You put it there. Next, how about this one? These are?
Rain.
These are?
Rain.
These are clouds.
Cloud.
These are clouds. So, when do we usually see the clouds? During daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Very good. During daytime. And next, this one. What is this? It's a?
Sun.
It's a sun. When do we usually see the sun? During daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Daytime. Very good, Aki. Next, how about this? These are?
Stars.
These are stars. So when do we usually see the stars? During daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
Nighttime. Good job. Next, how about this?
Rainbow.
This is a rainbow. When do we usually see a rainbow? During daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Daytime. Very good, Aki. And last object is, what is this?
Hour.
It's an owl. Okay. When do we usually see an owl? During daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
Nighttime. Very good, Aki. So now, let's proceed to the activities that we do during daytime or nighttime, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to show you this one. What is this?
Sleeping.
The boy is
Sleeping.
sleeping. Alright. So when do we sleep? During daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
Nighttime. Good job, Aki.
I think it's a dog.
Next, how about this one? The kids are
School.
going to school. When do we go to school? During daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes, daytime. Very good. How about this? The kids are
Planting.
planting. Alright. So when do we plant? During daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Daytime. Very good, Aki. And is that daytime? Good job. And this last one. What's this?
Camping.
Camping. Very good. So when do we usually go camping? During daytime